Good morning, June 29th, the last day on the bike for me. So I'll get out of here in time to go have breakfast up the road here. They open at 7, and then do a 27-mile ride from Manistee to Luddington. Day's going to be low 80s, the breeze coming up from the south, so it'll be a headwind the entire way. But if I take my time, shouldn't be a problem. All right, so I'm going to go get packed up and say adieu to the SS City of Milwaukee.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
You guys have a great day and a fine ship.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. We do our best around here.
Mm-hmm.
Take care now. Have a good rest of your vacation trip.
Yep. Will do. Let's go find some breakfast. Thank you.
Of course. Can I start you off with something to drink?
A glass of water and a cup of coffee, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
Thank you. Oh. Making my way through Manistee. I feel a little stiff this morning, but I think I'll just warm up.
Downtown Manistee, crossing their river that heads out to Lake Michigan.
Wow, nice looking part of Manistee.
It's going to be mostly country road today. The wind is in my face when I'm heading south, and that's mostly where I'm going. Right now I'm heading west, but only for 0.2 miles, something like that, very short distance. I have maybe 25 miles to go, and I feel myself hurrying. Last day, the course there, 25 miles, that's easy. Well, 25 miles ain't easy. And I gotta relax, do what I've been doing the whole ride, take it easy, leave something in the tank, enjoy the ride, not the thought of getting where I'm going. Off the road here is this big sandy hole full of water. I wonder if this is a swimming hole. It looks a little green, but maybe that's just what they do. Looks like the Duke boys.
Yes, just embarrassed.
Well, that's Fat Catz, and this is the scene of the crime. You can see the big rut that my front wheel dug in right here. Well, I'm all soggy now. I don't even want to ride in this. So I stepped onto this property here under this tree. Doesn't look like anybody's living here. It's coming down all right. Not as hard as it was a little while ago, but still enough. Hey, maybe the rain has stopped. I'm soaked. Had to stop, visibility was so bad. But it's gone now. So all is good. In fact, there's blue skies over in this direction.
Well, rain is gone. Roads are dry. Headwind is back. Right now I might be in the township of Hamlin.
Okay, Luddington. Now I just gotta go find Badger.
Well, this looks familiar.
Done. It's a wrap. UP Tour 2025 is over. I'm back in my car. Gonna pack up and drive home. So thanks for following along and watching. Thanks. You guys all have a great day.